Welcome back. Calangute police conducted a raid at Porbawaddo at Calangute and arrested native of Belgaum for possessing 4.68 kg charas worth 4,68,000 rupees on Tuesday. They have registered an offence against the accused under NDPS Act.
Calangute police conducted raid at Porbawaddo, Calangute and arrested Virappa Tambi, native of Belgaum, for possessing 4.68 kg of charas worth 4,68,000 on Tuesday.
Today, upon receipt of specific and reliable information, the officer and staff of Calangute Police Station conducted a raid at Porbawaddo, Calangute, and caught red-handed one person from Belgaum, namely Virappa Tambi, for being in illegal possession of 4.68 kg charas worth rupees 4,68,000. The accused person has been arrested and presently in PS lockup. An offence is registered under the provisions of NDPS Act. Further investigation in progress.
Our video journalist Dinesh Karpe with Rohan DeCosta.
Mines Department is not in a mood to listen to Goa Mining Association. The department has insisted on the enforcement of guidelines set for the mining firms. Mines Director has made it clear that as per the rules, firms have to fence the mining lease area. There has to be a single entry and exit gate for ore transportation. However, the department is ready to compromise on the guidelines on furnishing details of ore transportation a day in advance. Meanwhile, the department has also published its first list of 29 revalidated mineral traders of Goa.
Director of Mines and Geology Department Prasanna Acharya has taken a firm stand. He has insisted that guidelines issued by the mining department cannot be changed. He said as per the rules, mining companies have to fence the mining lease area. However, he informed us that the department can allow mining companies to furnish the ore transportation details on the next day. Earlier, Goa Mining Association had said that it is difficult to enforce Directorate's new guidelines.
We have given laxity to all the leaseholders of giving the records on the subsequent day. Movement of trucks from their respective leases. Issues will legally examine and come up with any decision on that issue with regards to maintenance of one entry and one exit. In case if there are any specific difficulties of a concerned mining lease, it will be taken on case-to-case basis.
The first list of revalidated mineral traders of Goa has been published. Mines Directorate had suspended operations of 461 mining traders. Mining companies were asked to submit relevant documents. Around 200 companies have reverted back, out of which 29 are revalidated.
Licenses have been revalidated, and which are mainly of mining leaseholders. Those we have cleared in the first lot, and gradually we will be screening the other applications for revalidation, and gradually we will update the same on our website.
With bureau inputs, our reporter Jason Suarez.
A full-fledged market is the only demand of the villagers of Kansauli. Vendors claim that the market is very old and not maintained for years together. This is the pending demand of vendors from Kansauli ROC Kuali Panchayat. Have a look at what the Panchayat has planned for the vendors in our special series on Panchayat Satyagraha.
Have a look. This is the old and only market for the villagers of Kansauli. It is lying in a sorry state. There are no proper facilities available for vendors. Vendors claim that this market was built almost 60 to 70 years ago. They are now waiting for their long pending demand of a full-fledged market from the Panchayat.
कोण आसून गो आमची भुरगीं कोण बाजारो तुमकां कितें दिसता गोंयभर ही मार्केटां सुदारप जाता हें कासावले मार्केट कित्याक जायना जाय गो आतां कित्याक जायना आमकां सांग बाबा पूण तुमची मागणी कितें बेगीन जावचें
However, Panch member and Sarpanch claims that the Panchayat is planning for a new market for the fish and pork sellers and vegetable vendors.
चर्चीची प्रॉपर्टी आहा पळय ती हिंगा मार्केट एरियांक आहा तेणी एक प्रपोजल आसलो बिल्डींग प्लस मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स म्हणून तेन्ना आमी तांकां एप्रूव करून दिलो आनी आतां थोडो मातसो शॉपकिपरांचो मातशें ऑब्जेक्शन आहा कित्याक तांचे प्लेसीक लागून वयर सकलो जाता स्पेस धाकली जाता म्हणून आनी तेंच आनी कांय ना तेंच्या भितर तें सॉल्व जालें तांचो प्रोजेक्ट पास.
The plan is approved and the church, the parish priest especially, was very cooperative. He came to us and we told him, okay, this is our problem. You accommodate the fish market, you accommodate the beef stall, pork stalls, vendors, and we are ready to cooperate with them. So the matter is still pending because recently they have taken the plans, and I'm sure they are very open in their mind, and if this works up, we will have a better market.
Sellers and the villagers have waited for years together for a full-fledged market. Now with the upcoming Panchayat election, will the Panchayat take an initiative to fulfill their demand? Our reporter from Kansauli, Surendra Madkaikar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.